look at the flagstone patio that we built in the backyard farmer garden, you'll see that it's actually relatively simple for a homeowner. It's pretty simple if you follow the right process, and that would be, first off, figure out what you want, do the math on how many square feet of pavement you're going to need, pick out your materials, take a look at all the different colors, determine whether you want a subsurface underneath it that is maybe a little more complicated than we used. We did not put 3/4 minus, or what you might consider road gravel, under it to a depth of 4 to 6 inches. We didn't use a leveling bed. We basically just skimmed off the sod. We then used a flat spade to level it out. We pieced those flagstones together like a puzzle, so we had enough to work with. And then we actually had to go back in and raise some edges, lower some other edges, backfill with soil so we can plant into it. And again, we did do some tamping, but the tamping we did was not with a vibrating plate compactor. It was with one that you can actually go buy at one of your hardware stores or your box stores, or a place like that. And then all we are going to do over time is we're going to re-level it again if we have to. If we get rains that are going to wash some of that fill out from beneath the stones. The hard part is to be able to get those level so you don't have toe kicks.